turn it on, turn it off, and it can be turned on and off very fast. You can see. Okay, after connecting all the components on the board, it looks like this, except the ESP8266 board. It is not connected yet. I soldered these wires for connecting only the pins required for the connection. So the ESP board will be connected to these pins, and all the components are connected to the ESP board and this PCB according to this schematic. I will share the link of this schematic on the description. To upload the code in ESP8266 or 12E board, I made this board, and the schematic for this programmer board is also in the description. Put the ESP12E board in here like this, connect the USB to serial programmer and hit upload. I forgot one thing. Before connecting the USB to serial programmer to USB board, push this button. It is a flash button for pushing the ESP12E chip in boot mode, in flash mode. So connect the USB to serial programmer and release the button. Now you can hit the upload button to upload the code in this board. So after uploading the code in ESP12E board, I install it in this PCB and also install a touch button, single touch button. This touch button is modified to work in toggle mode instead of latched mode. I can explain this in another video. This ESP12E Wi-Fi module can connect to your Android phone, and the brightness of the LED connected at this port, 12 volt LED, can be controlled through the Wi-Fi and can also be turned on and off through this touch button. The Android app and the demonstration of it working, I will explain. Okay, now I turn off the lights in order to test this setup. So first connecting this LED light here. You can connect this. Okay, the connection of LED is done. Now you can plug in the 12 volt in the 12 volt jack below. Okay, now the 12 volt supply is connected. As you can see, the light is on, and after connecting the light, after connecting the 12 volt supply, you can see that the smart dimmer is now available. The smart dimmer is the access point of this ESP chip. So connecting to this smart dimmer, it is connecting. Okay, now it is connected. Now you can turn on the app and turn off the LED, turn it on, turn it off, and it can be turned on and off very fast. You can see, and from this you can adjust the brightness. Okay, it is 7%, here it is 0%, it is 3%, now it is 26%, 37%, 56%, 78%, 90%. You can see it is 100%. So you can turn it off, turn it on, adjust the brightness. You can adjust the brightness, you can turn it off, and you can also turn it on and off through this touch button. It is toggle. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, turn it off, turn it on, and at the same time you can also turn it off from here and turn it on from here. Turn it off, turn it on, and turn it off, turn it on, and turn it off. So that is this smart dimmer. That's the end of this video.